Okay friends, today I wanted to do a product demo on 31's Hello Happy box. So this box always comes, as you can see, it comes in a nice thick box that has a theme, and this is February's box. Each month will have a different theme, and February's theme is love. So you can see, you open it up and it says, show yourself some love. Make this season brighter with some self-care. And so it has a note in here that this is great. I love this. So show yourself some love. And here are some ideas about how you can do some self-care. And so this is something that's just nice and sweet that you can send to yourself or just a friend. But in the February's one, it came with some nice hair ties, some cute little hair ties in a kind of like a ballet pink and a blush pink. And then in here is, it's a 24-inch rectangular charm necklace. You can see the whole thing, so you got the back of it there. But here is the front here, and how cute is that? And again, this is like I said, a 24-inch necklace. And then in here you have, this is a nice silk pouch, so it's something that's nice and reusable. You can sit and put your jewelry in. And then you can see, let's see, we have this box here. It's a little bit harder to sit and open. But you can see the nice, it comes with nice decorating or nice care package. But so you have the box, and it comes with this little plate jewelry holder that has a nice little heart on it. This is nice weight and nice and heavy, but it's nice to be able to put your jewelry on it then. But so again, these are the Hello Happy boxes, and this runs for $31. And it has the nice little theme, a nice message. Like it says, it's what inside that counts. And just the nice message that you can either send to yourself or send as a nice gift to somebody, and this is how it arrives, okay? Check below for more information, and if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.